Hi guys, it's your girl, the Baking Betty. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am making what you guys asked for. You asked for it and I'm giving it to you. It's Malva pudding day. Yeah, it's Malva pudding. It's very simple, straightforward, and most importantly, it's very, very delicious. But before we get into the video, please hit the subscribe button. Click the notification button so you do not miss a single video whenever I do upload. And also, please keep sharing my videos, guys, so we have more members in our family. Without further ado, let's make Malva pudding. So the very first step is to melt the butter and the apricot jam. So in the pot, I've added 2 tablespoons of butter and 30 millimeters of apricot jam. I'll let those melt, and then once they've melted, I'll add in 1 cup of milk. And once I've added the cup of milk, I'll let everything simmer for a few minutes until the milk is just warm. And then I'll just remove everything from the heat, set it aside while I prepare for our next ingredients. Next up, I'm adding a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and into that I'm adding 1 egg. After which I'll give them a quick mix with the hand electrical mixer until they well combined, and then I'll add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. After giving those a quick mix, and then on the side I'll prepare our dry ingredients, which is 1 cup of cake flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. And once our dry ingredients are ready, we'll add them to the egg mixture, give them a quick mix until well combined, and then lastly we'll add in our milk mixture. And then it's ready to bake. Now guys, I wanted to put it out to you and be honest with you. You really do not have to use the hand electrical mixer when doing Malva pudding. Actually, this was my first time on this video using a hand electrical mixer. You don't have to. You can literally use a whisk. It's easier, it's quicker, and it's less admin. So I decided to be the love of things on this particular video. I don't know why. I really don't know why. But anyway, I just thought, let me just put it out to you that you don't have to stress yourself and think that you have to have an electrical mixer to be able to do Malva pudding. No, a whisk is more than enough, and I think it produces the best results when you're using a hand whisk. Literally, I'm just being honest with you because I want you guys to make this Malva pudding. I want to get you guys to get the best Malva pudding ever that you've ever eaten or ever made, if you've made it before. So I'm just mixing all of that together, like I've said it before. Once it's combined, the last step will be literally adding our milk into the mixture and quickly mixing up with the hand electrical mixer, which is not necessary. A whisk is more than enough. Just whisk up everything together until it's just smooth and well combined, and do not over mix. And then once our batter is ready, we'll bake it into the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes, or until when a toothpick or skewer inserted at the center, it comes out clean. So you can use any oven-proof baking dish of your choice. I just chose to use this one. So I'm just tapping it to remove the air bubbles, and in the oven it goes. So as the Malva is still baking, we'll quickly make the caramel sauce to pour over the Malva pudding. So into the pot, I've added 160 ml of evaporated milk, and into that I've added 1.5 tablespoons of caramel. It can be any caramel of your choice. And then into that I've added half a tablespoon of butter and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So I'm just quickly giving everything a stir, and then I'm just going to let it simmer and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, we'll remove it from the heat and it waits for our Malva and be ready to pour it over the Malva pudding. Okay guys, our caramel sauce is now ready, as well as our Malva pudding. Voila! Guys, it is looking all sorts of yumminess. Alright guys, what I'm doing now is pouring the caramel sauce over the Malva pudding, and then what I'm going to be doing is pressing it down so that all that flavor is infused into that Malva pudding, and that's what makes a Malva pudding. Please guys, do try it out. I am asking you. Well, you asked for it, so you've got no reason not to make it. Plus, the weather is befitting. It is allowing. Let's see those Malva puddings. Do share if you can on Instagram, anywhere, and please do tag me. Thank you so much guys for watching. I do not take it for granted that you take time to watch my videos and get to do the recipes that I share with you. Please comment on the section down below and tell me what you think of this Malva pudding. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Until then, stay warm, stay blessed, and keep baking.